Yo, what is going on? It is Friday, December 12th, 4:56 p.m. And today I did take a trade, ended up losing around $852, I think it was, on EVAL. Let's get into today. So coming into the day, I did actually have a bullish bias. We had some pretty good overnight bullish movement. We had this end dog. But yeah, just pretty good bullish movement even since yesterday. A lot of not really crazy. We were low-key in a downtrend, but I thought that we were just gonna come up, rebalance this downtrend, even get up to this end walk size buy side liquidity tap. But my overall draw line today was this London high, and as you can see, what is it? Bang bang, equal high. So what I wanted to see is do at open, which open was right here. Where's open? Where's open? Where's open? I wanted to see us come down SMT with like one of these more so internal liquidity pools, like one of these with ES. And then just get an immediate inverse right to the upside off of that. We had this 1 minute at open, which we were, let's double check it. I believe there was a SMT. Why is my trading view? Am I doing that? There was a SMT somewhere with this. What were we SMT'd with here? We were SMT'd somewhere at this low. Off of this 1 minute right here. We're just going to take this 1 minute to this internal high. But something about it just, I wasn't fucking with it, bro. I hesitated on it, and once I hesitate, I didn't want to take it. There were relative equal lows here, and then it just, I didn't like the close, so I low-key hesied. It would have been break even anyways, and I just didn't fuck with it. 100% would have been a break even trade, but, or would it have? Oh yeah, it definitely would have, because I would have done this. I know myself, I would have done, oh shit, I put the fucking reverse on. I would have done this, probably just like, not even, I would have done like 35 points to be honest. And then the right here. So it would have been, yeah, break even trade. And then we come down, we resweep this low, and off of resweeping this low, we leave a 3 minute gap behind where we are SMT'd. I know it's a butt fuck nowhere SMT, but it's still an SMT at the end of the day. We resweep that, we leave this 3 minute gap behind, we inverse this 3 minute gap. Look at this displacement. This is a 45 point displacing candle. How could you say no to that? We have that SMT, we inverse that. I set my buy limit because, yeah. So we had taken this, but I'm not gonna lie, we left some equal highs. So I left my limit if we were gonna come down, tag this. I thought we were gonna tag this, reject, and then pump up. And then so I said once we take the equal highs, I go break even. We create 3 times equal highs, we reject off, and we pump down. I see as this candle start displacing up, and I'm like, okay, bro, I'm gonna stay true to my rules, because as you can see what happened when I didn't stay true to my rules. I could have made 800, I only made 100. I'm going to stay true to my rules, and I'm going to go truly break even once we take those equal highs, because it is a 3 times equal high. Price is just going to, oh, market's closed. Price is just going to run back up to that, and it's going to be nice, easy, calm, and an easy delivery. We're going to be able to go break even, and all I was doing was taking this to this internal high, which is 75 points at 950 is not bad to ask for. I was super strong on a bullish bias this morning, as I thought London high, which was an equal high, could get tagged. We had this big old gap that I thought needed to get filled. And yeah, honestly, just really felt like we were going to continue higher after this 3 minute gets inverse to this extent. And then I was confident with us at least being able to go up to break even with those equal highs being left. And we just get fucked in the ass, and the day just ends up dumping, bro. After this trade, we got to like right here. Once we took like the low of day, I realized like, bro, I said one trade a day, right? Stay true to my rules, take my L, and move on. So yeah, here's what it is. It was negative 426 across 2 accounts on Topstep. Where was it at? Charts and data. Show confirm. No, it's executions. I don't want it in that color. Just give it to me in Blanco. Does the white even show? Yeah, the white will show. I'm tripping. But yeah, there it was. There it was. Stopped out on this candle, tagged it on this candle. So yeah, that was me getting cooked today. That was me getting cooked all week. Let's take a look at how the week went. I wanted to be up around $2,000 on these accounts. Took 3 trades this week, 4 trades this week, and I'm down 691. Yeah. Had a couple goals, didn't accomplish any of them, which has been the story of my fucking life. But bro, it's just, I was thinking about this earlier. Why can't I remember it? Drawing a blank. I'm drawing a big blank. Okay. So I can sit here and I can look at it like there's people who gamble, there's people who don't follow their rules and come out with payouts and are successful. Just like in life, there's people who sell drugs, there's people who commit crimes, there's people who do all the quote unquote, let's just label it as bad stuff, which not even just quote unquote because they are bad stuff. Bad behaviors. In life, those who commit those bad behaviors, those who aren't disciplined, those who quit when it gets a little bit rough, end up either in jail, dead, or stuck in mediocrity. I'm following my rules. I'm taking my setup, and I'm doing everything that I'm supposed to do. It's not playing out. It's not the result I want at all. I'm getting worried with other things. However, like in life, those who are disciplined, those who follow as they say, those who act upon things correctly, the strategic rule book that they set for themselves correctly, succeed. And it's with time. So, okay, I can lose, and I can watch people gamble and win. But in the long run of things, me taking trades like these, me remaining disciplined, me being honest within, is what is truly going to lead me to find success. And I'm getting worried because of time. But maybe if I just settle down and I just relax, it's just going to play out. It's not for me to look at like, oh, he's 19 and he's making this, or oh, he's 20 and he's doing this. Everyone's journey is different. And it's going to take me my amount of time to end up, why do I look so tired? It's going to take me my amount of time to end up doing good in this. So, yeah, remember that. And, yeah, same goals that I had this week is going to apply next week. Maybe I got to eat the rebill, got to pay for the fucking rebill. Been spending money like crazy this month. Not a good thing. I got to lock in. I didn't spend money all month, so all year. So it just went crazy this month. Not gonna lie. I did too much this month. So, yeah. A little speech there for you guys, there for me to come back and listen to. And that's about all that I've got. Let's try to get these accounts out the gutter. Try to make some money on a funded account next week. Just continue to follow our rules, bro. Nick, when you look back, you did it. These times like this is how you did it. Yeah, that's about all I've got. You fellas, you ladies, whoever's watching, you non-binary I don't know if that's the right term, but you they thems, you he she's, you it's whatever you'd be. Wish you the best. Take care. Peace, love, positivity. Stay blessed.